Today we are going to see the module events. I'm going to show you the step-by-step explanation for the events module. Let's go to the events module. This is the main dashboard. Here you can see the preview of the events we have created so far. So these are the stages which was already configured in the events module. So you can add a new stage as per your event by clicking on this add a column button. So you can add a name here. Let me show you. Schedule. So you can add a new stage here. Then by clicking on this gear button, you can fold the stage like this. If you want to expand, you can click like this. And by clicking on the edit stage, you can add the description for the stage. Like it is showing the event has been publicly announced. So you can go there and you can edit the information here. This will be helpful for your co-workers too. Next thing, this main dashboard will be available in different interfaces, like it is available in calendar view, it is available in list view, in pivot table view, and in graphical view also. Here you can drag and drop the events in these stages like this. This is very flexible and easy to use for the event managers. Let me create a new event and explain you the whole process flow here. So this is the view once we have clicked the create button. So let me give a event name here. Skit training. I'm going to select the dates here. 31st April to 31st March to 1st April. I'm going to click apply. And you can select the time zone and organizer name and responsible person. You can assign this event to any other person also. You can set the company name and you can set the website also and the venue. So the way the event is going to happen, you can set these here. And you can upload a file of your exhibition app also. This option limits registrations. By clicking on this, you can limit the registrations up to certain value. For example, for this skit training, I'm going to set only 30 attendees. After the registration, only 30 attendees can able to attend the skit training. And this button, auto confirmation, by enabling this option, the confirmation will be done once they have registered for this event. If I didn't enable this option, you have to go manually to confirm the registrations. I'm going to check in that. Next thing, tickets. Let's go to tickets here. I'm going to create a ticket for general. It's free of cost, so I'm going to remove the price here. Sale start date from today. End date 29th March. The maximum tickets for a general category I'm going to set for 20. Again, I'm going to click add line to create another type of ticket, which is for VIP. As it is VIP, I'm going to set the price for $30, or even you can edit the cost $20. So the maximum ticket would be 10. A thing to note here, if you enable limit registration option, so the value entered here should be same to the tickets you have configured. Please ensure that. The important feature in the questions tab, if you want to ask any questions to your users during the registration, you can configure that here. Let me add a question. In which topic you want the next webinar or training? So I'm going to select a question type selection. So I have to add options for that. Example, CRM, inventory, sales. So once I save and close, this question will be visible during the registration. Let me show you how it works. And the notes option, you can add a notes or a ticket instructions which will be visible in your ticket. Let me save this. Once saved, you can see the smart button go to website, which is in a red color. This resembles that the event is not yet published in your website. Let's go to our website and publish this. By enabling the option published, this event is published in our website. Let's go and check in all events. So you can see our event skit training here with the date, timing and place. Let's go inside. As a user, I'm going to register for this. So I want one ticket from general category. So I'm going to enter my name as a test or skit@gmail.com and mobile number. And you can see the question here, right? In which topic you want the next training. So I'm going to select as inventory. I'm going to continue. So you can see the registration is confirmed with the basic details like mail ID and mobile number and start date, end date with the company's address, mobile number and mail ID. And you can see the two smart buttons here, add to iCal or Outlook or add to Google Calendar. You can add this event to your Google Calendar also. Let me show you how to do that. So that's it. See, all the data will be automatically populated once you have to save. Okay, let's go to our events app. And you can see that in the smart button you can see one attendees. Let's go and check who is that. And you can see this also in a list view with the attendee name, mail, mobile number, event ticket, status, like that. You can also create the attendees in the backend. Click the create button, enter the names, and event ticket, that's it. So you can save and confirm the registration. So now we have created the event tickets and we have displayed that in our website. This is the time for communication with the users who have registered for our event. In Odoo, default options were given for communication. Mail event registration immediately after registration. This will send the email to the users immediately after the successful registration. You can also edit the event registration template. So this is the preview of the registration template. So we are happy to confirm your registration to the event skill training for attendee job. And even you can set a reminder for an interval 1 hour before the event, so it will be automatically sent to all the registered users with ease. An important feature: if you send the event reminder 10 days before the event, if the user opened that mail 5 days before the event, it will say that we are excited to remind you that the event is starting in 5 days. You can add the communication medium via SMS too. Let me change to SMS event reminder, so 1 hour before the event. And even you can change the template also in SMS content. So this is the SMS content. We are excited to remind you that the skill training event is starting on March 31st. Hope to meet you there. And another thing, even you can send the registration badge to the users via email. For this also you can set the intervals like 2 days before the event or immediately after the registration. So let me set for 2 days before the registration. 2 days before the event. Let me save this. So that's it. So we have created the event, created the tickets, and we have published that in our website and communicated with our registered users. You can see this 2 sent mails. As we have 2 attendees, the registration confirmation mail is already sent to them. That's why it's showing a 2 in the communication tab. So that's all for this video. Thank you.